We hit a wall with Meredith's hair where we were like, this is not gonna work. And it got to a point where it was like, well, maybe Meredith needs to have a haircut. And everyone in the room just was like, what? Like, how can you say that?
It would have been a disaster if we had to cut her hair. It is the visual representation of her wild, unruly, free spirit.
It was a great challenge for the crew, and I'm glad they hung in there and really worked out all the kinks of how to get that to look as good as it does.
They click this, and then they can, Now I'm going to show you the actual rig that we put together for animators.
It's really one of the hardest animation problems we solved here.
Without that hair and without all the new technology and tools that enabled us to do that hair, you'd have a very different character and a very different relationship with her mother.
Merida!